welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. My name is Dr. Ross, and currently right now, Black King Sebastian is out. He is in a photo shoot right now for the Jamaican hair products. Make sure to purchase these. This is the Jamaican shampoo and conditioner. We also have the Jamaican hair gel, and it will get your hair looking like mine, and of course, Black King Sebastian Shreds. So let's get straight into these hot topics. On our first topic, we have Gia Goodice.
19.
Looks identical to her mom, Teresa Goodice, in a gorgeous blue bikini at the beach. My thoughts on this right now is the apple doesn't fall far from the tree. On to our next hot topic because we want to spice it up a little bit. So, Scott Disick got into a fight with someone in a club trying to protect Kim Kardashian. Apparently, since all the drama has been happening with Kim Kardashian and Kanye West, men have been getting aggressive with Kim Kardashian in the club. But Scott Disick
has decided to just tackle all of them.
So, keep doing you, and Scott, stop tackling people because you're gonna have to bring in your bodyguards because you will eventually get very hurt.
No, I don't really feel like it.
And Kim, maybe just stay home instead of going out to the clubs. On to our next hot topic. So Megan Fox's new movie just came out. Some of her fans, small portion, are saying that, this is her comeback.
He said what?
A lot of fans, a lot of viewers, people watching the movie said they're giving it a 1 star before even watching the film. All I have to say about this is we've been hearing from our studio co-host and from you guys, the audience, that she was just trying too hard in the movie. Obviously, long neck is probably messing up her chi, messing up her energy. Maybe it was good for her to go back to Brian Austin Green. He probably just sits there all the time, and that lets her absorb her chi.
I'm looking for a thick booty bitch.
Let's get on to our next hot topic. So Snoop Dogg says Eminem isn't his top 10 rapper. First of all, how much money does Eminem have again? Exactly. This is going to be our last hot topic, but for the Real Housewives of Beverly Hills, Lisa Rinna finally explains the season 10 reunion was complete BS, and her fans are saying she's getting a little bit messy on social media.
Well, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
All we want to say about this is, Lisa Rinna, you're hot, you're scandalous, and you're a vixen. That's why you are in our Vixen Top 10 list winner. And that's all we're going to say about that. These were all of our hot topics. Make sure to buy our merch, buy our Jamaican shampoo and conditioner and gel, the Rasta clothing, Rasta hats, and stay tuned for this week's She's Hot winner. But as always, we're out.